Morning, Hot Wheels fans. This, I think I'll call a mail call. I did receive this in the mail yesterday. It's a 1973 odd job in enamel blue. And I don't know if a lot of you remember, but when I did my other 73 odd job I had in my collection, I actually broke the back. So let me move this one out of the way real quick, put this one back. But I went to open the door and the hinge right here broke. So the cage on the back of this is broken, and it was actually kind of a sad day for me. I think most people can relate if they break something like this. But I ended up replacing it with this one. And like I said, I just got this guy yesterday, but it's 100% original. It's got hole throughs in the front, hole throughs in the back, and it has the cage on the back. And I am not going to open this one, but as you can see, this guy's in really good shape. I think that front end, that just super cool. Such a cool looking car. And I think if people remember, this is the Muttmobile is what it was. And then they changed it to save money, so it no longer has Muttmobile on the side here on the roof. It's just a blank white canvas. But it's really a cool car. And with that, I just wanted to share that I have one in my collection now that's not broken. And I hope everybody is having a great day. I will see you on my next video. Bye.